Good morning, sweetie. Good morning, sweetie. Be nice to your friends. Be nice to your friends. Does it hurt? Does it hurt? Don't chew gum in class. Don't chew gum in class. Share your ice cream. Share your ice cream. Say thank you. Say thank you. Put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Put on your jacket. It's cold outside. Please be quiet. Your baby sister is sleeping. Please be quiet. Your baby sister is sleeping. Don't talk to strangers. Don't talk to strangers. Okay, let me think about it. Okay, let me think about it. Be gentle with the cat. Be gentle with the cat. We're proud of you. We're proud of you. Hand me the tablet. Hand me the tablet. Don't look, Mom. I'm writing my diary. Don't look, Mom. I'm writing my diary. Look both ways before crossing the street. Look both ways before crossing the street. Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables. Don't forget to bring your lunchbox. Don't forget to bring your lunchbox. Taste it. Taste it. Hang up your coat. Hang up your coat. Use your words. Use your words. Stop that right now. Stop that right now. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Don't hit your sister. Don't hit your sister. Don't forget your backpack. Don't forget your backpack. Are you hurt? Are you hurt? Have you brushed your teeth yet? Have you brushed your teeth yet? Let's go to the park. Let's go to the park. It's time to have breakfast. It's time to have breakfast. What did you eat? What did you eat? Where are you hurt? Where are you hurt? Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. It's not polite to interrupt. It's not polite to interrupt. Are you okay? Are you okay? No dessert until you finish your dinner. No dessert until you finish your dinner. It's time to have lunch. It's time to have lunch.